Hey, it's your girl Zoe, aka Melanated Beauty, back with you guys with another awesome video. Today I will be doing a wash and go using two products that I've never used before. So I'm super excited to be doing this video with you guys and seeing the outcome, and you guys definitely let me know how you guys like it. My hair is already damp and has been combed out already. This is the texture of my hair right now at the moment. Got a little bit of curl in it. This part up here is not wet yet, but we're going to get to that. So I will be doing a wash and go using Extreme Wetline Styling Gel. If you guys know me, you know that I do not care for gel, have never used gel. I bought a big old tub of Eco Styler gel, used it once, threw it away. It flaked up, didn't like it, was like, see, that's what I get for trying gel. Not doing that again. And then I bought some Lotta Butter leave-in, because with this wash and go you need to use a leave-in conditioner. If you guys know me, I don't use leave-in conditioner. So like I said, these are two products that I haven't used before. So you guys will be going on this journey with me as I do this style. I don't even know how I came across these videos, but yeah, I've seen some good results and I'm excited to try it. So you guys stay tuned and watch me do my hair. So here I'm just combing out my hair because I put some water in it already, and then I'm taking the Lotta Body leave-in and just rubbing that thoroughly through my hair and still finger combing my hair. Then I'm going to take my Extreme Wetline Styling Gel, take a few pumps of that and rubbing it through my hair. Y'all. Okay, so the back came out actually looking pretty nice, so I'm going to section out another piece of hair and put my other hair into a ponytail, moisturize my hair some more with my spray bottle, and using my wide tooth comb to comb my hair out thoroughly, taking some more of that Extreme Wetline Gel, just going to apply that to my hair. And this is basically what I do with my whole head. Also, I separate some of my hair as well, just to make sure it doesn't get any clumps and just to make sure it's getting defined more with the gel. Like I said, this is basically what I do with my whole head. Section out a piece, get it wet, finger comb it, take the big tooth comb to it, add the 5-in-1 leave-in conditioner, and add my Extreme Wetline Gel. Alright guys, so I'm back to show you my finished look on my wash and go. And again, the products that I used was the Extreme Wetline Styling Gel from, I actually got this from Walgreens for like $2.97, and then the Lotta Body 5-in-1 leave-in conditioner, I got that from Walmart for probably like $3.40 something. Yeah, definitely $3 and some change. I like my hair, but it looks frizzier than what I thought it was going to look like. It definitely, you know, it defined my curls, especially in the back here. As you guys saw in the beginning, like, it's very like defined. I really like the back for sure. Definitely. And it's really soft. This is really soft. It's not dry yet, of course. I have heat damage from when I had my sew-in. No, I'm not gonna chop it off because it's a lot. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's just my leave out. I have this and probably like all of this is damaged. I'm not gonna chop it off because it's in the front of my head. So I'm going to take this and I'm gonna tuck it, like twist it up and hide it. Tuck it in there. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna fix it. So yeah, like I said, I like it. I just feel like it has a lot of frizz to it. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted to. So I will be probably doing another video on this. Maybe try in another leave-in conditioner. Maybe try without a leave-in. But it's super fluffy, bouncy, moving around and stuff. So of course I like that. Like I said, I like the back a whole lot. Why did my whole head turn out like that? Like, it's super defined in the back. Super defined. Definitely, but it definitely has... It's definitely fluffier than what I thought it was going to be. So, I'm going to wear this for probably like 3 to 4 days. And I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like throughout those 3 to 4 days. So hey guys, so I'm back to show you my hair and give you my final thoughts on the wash and go using the Extreme Wet Line Styling Gel. So first and foremost, I'm gonna cut to the chase. The wash and go you saw me guys doing, I woke up 2 days later and definitely washed it out. I couldn't do it. It was way too frizzy for my liking. It didn't turn out how I thought it would. I didn't care for it, so I literally got up and just washed it out and decided to redo it on extremely wet hair, not using a spray bottle, just full throttle extremely wet hair, and see how it came out. So this is my hair. I definitely like it a lot better than I did in the video. As I said, the back of it is extremely defined. And girls, y'all know we got that one side of our head that cooperates and the other side that's just gonna do its own thing. That's my right side here, doing its own thing. Like, boo, get it together. Just look like the other side here. So yeah, this side here is frizzy, but I'm not tripping because the majority of my head is defined. It's just like this patch here, literally this patch here that's like frizzier than everything else, but I'm not tripping off of that. As far as my hair being crunchy, I feel like it's a little crunchy, but I feel like it's not going to be super crunchy like probably tomorrow. And plus, I'm going to use my Ferris Sue Gardens and butters on my ends. You guys, I'm going to do that in a little bit so you'll see how I do that. And my Ferris Sue Gardens root work to hopefully get some of this crunchiness out and bring it back to life. I also had and still have a little bit of flakage here, but that's only because I had a middle part here and I decided to give myself a side part because that's what I usually wear. So overall, I really like this style a lot better than I did with the first one. So I recommend doing it when your hair is freshly washed, or you just go and wet your entire head up versus taking a spray bottle to it, depending on your curl pattern. And I feel like it'll come out a lot better that way. So I did use my leave-in conditioner by A Lot of Body, and I still feel like I said it's soft, but it still has some crunch to it. So I'm not like really tripping because I really do like it. I will do another video for you guys on this wash and go. I have a few more products that I will be trying to do wash and goes on because I don't really do wash and goes. So I will be trying them more using different products that I already have to see how it goes. If I find one that works a lot better, if the right side of my head will decide to act correct. Using a different product. That damaged hair that I had, I just took that, slicked it down, pinned it to the back so nobody can see that crap. Hopefully I will take care of that soon and it won't be so damaged. But this is my look doing the wash and go using the Extreme Wet Line Styling Gel for the second time. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have like any other products you want me to try on my hair doing a wash and go. If there's any tips you could give me to see if this would be like the rest of my hair. you know, any tips, any advice, any other products you guys want me to do, definitely comment below and I will definitely do it for you. But yeah, to see how long I wear this style and to see what other ways I style my hair with these curls, follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty, the exact same way you spell my Instagram name, Melanated Beauty. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you guys can get a notification when I drop my next video, because my next video will be another hair tutorial on my awesome perm rod set, which a lot of people like on me, and that is definitely a recommended one. So definitely stay tuned for that one coming up soon. Peace, love. Here I am taking my Heyyyyy Gardens Root Work hair oil and just going to apply that to all of my hair to loosen up my hair and get some of that crunchiness out of there that I said was going on. Then I'm going to take the Heyyyyy Gardens Ends Butter and I'm going to rub that in, take a dab of it, and put it on my ends to protect them throughout the day. This is a method that I also do every other night as I go to sleep to protect my hair as well.